Did you build this?
No, my teammate.
He did good. The trunk hardly moves. It's impressive. Like, y'all really sealed it off, I can tell. So I don't know if anybody tells you that. Did really good there. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Woo. Yeah, let's cool it off for a minute, man. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
My name is Antwan. I got 299 supercharged 15.
Okay.
On a 15K.
Okay.
250 CFF alternator. I got all lithium batteries back there.
Okay.
45, 25.
Yes, sir.
12K.
Awesome.
45
Yes, did you build this?
No, my teammate.
He did good. The trunk hardly moves. It's impressive. Like, y'all really sealed it off, I can tell. So I don't know if anybody tells you that. Did really good there. And you fit 2 15s in this, man.
Yeah.
Most people do 12, so.
Yeah, I had to cut the rear deco.
Okay, yeah. Do you know the specs of the enclosure?
No, I know it's 2 and 34 hertz.
34?
Yeah, I
Did
think
you-
about 40 hertz.
40?
Yeah.
Did you ever get it metered?
Yeah.
How did it do?
Best I got a 52 on the seal.
Okay.
54 outlaw.
Nice. That is really good out of the trunk, man.
Yeah.
You're happy with it, I'm sure.
Yeah, I need more.
It does, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Awesome. Can I see the amp? Yep. I appreciate it. Thanks for the info, man. Thanks for the demo, too. I already got some good flex. Whew. Nice. Does your voltage do pretty good? I didn't see your voltage. How's your voltage? Gets in the 12s, 11s, or 12s?
12, high 12.
High 12s. Yep. And you built it into the vehicle, or you did? Nice. Limitless 45s?
25.
25, 45. Okay.
40 and long.
Long. You got a lot of battery power. All right. Is this at 1 ohm? 0.5? Okay. Woo. Awesome. What was your name?
Antwan.
Antwan. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you, man. Appreciate you.
Downtown in the night, where they don't mind dying, sworn to a life of shot 6 times running from my mind. How I 32, man, I'm looking to survive.
Woo! That's yours, yeah. Let's cool it off for a minute, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.